The piston is attached to your hammer's connecting rod. It moves back and forth in the cylinder, compressing the air in the cylinder on the outward stroke and creating vacuum on the inward stroke. This causes the striker to move back and forth to strike the impact bolt. Over time, the piston can wear or be damaged by low compression, lack of lubrication, or dirt. Replacing the piston is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel from the gearbox. The barrel is secured with 4 bolts. Now I'll remove the pin. Now I can begin installing the new piston. I'll need to transfer the piston ring as well as the inner ring from the old piston to the new. I'll begin by removing the piston ring. And next the inner ring. And now I can install the rings onto the new piston. First the inner ring, followed by the piston ring. And now I'll reinstall the pin. I'll align the piston with the connecting rod and insert the wrist pin. Now I can reinstall the barrel onto the gearbox. I'll align the piston with the cylinder and compress the piston ring as the piston goes into the cylinder. I'll secure the barrel with the bolts. And that's how you can install a new piston in your hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.